everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Hey, I've been asked to show what I use to make the chatterbaits with the poison tail jig, and here it goes, man. This is how I make it. So here's the poison tail jig mold. I use a wire form and then a spinnerbait hook, and I just put it in there just like that. And if you notice, I have the Teflon weed guard in there, and the reason I put that in there is because I don't want there to be a weed guard in there. So I put it barely to the head there, so there's going to be no hole. And then this is what it looks like when it's finished here. And then you file it a little bit, but then when it comes out, you notice that there is a gap in the wire form, so then you're able to easily put on the blade. And then what I do is I take some pliers and I kind of pinch it down a little bit to make it so it doesn't come off. Yeah, that's my largemouth pattern I painted there. But anyways, here's the wire form, here's the spinnerbait hook. The wire form that you need is this one right here. It's the WEY 525. It's the underspin wire form. And yeah, you can get it in a 100 pack or 1,000 pack. That's what it looks like. And then the hooks that I use are these, it's by VMC, but it's the 7250 straight shank. It's a spinnerbait hook. I use it in the 4/0. So yeah, that's the way I put it in. And then I just shoot it, and then boom. That's what it turns out to be. I actually just had a tournament on Silver Lake, and this little guy right here is what helped me take second place. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you liked the video. That guy Skimpy. Please subscribe.